Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to remove collaborators from Google Drive. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Google Drive application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Google Drive. But guys, now let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom, we have the home, start, shared, and the files option. And also in the top left corner, we have the recent, offline, spam, and the bin options work settings also. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and remove collaborators from Google Drive. It is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, open or select the file or folder, and then you need to go and find the person you want to stop sharing with. So basically, when you find a person that you don't want to share enough with, just click remove access and click save. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you find this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then guys, bye guys.